Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be looking at 4 amazing Figma plugins. Let's get started. The first plugin is called MakeIt. So MakeIt is a website builder inside Figma. It's basically a plugin that enables you to create a full responsive website without leaving Figma. The only downside is you are only allowed to use their built-in components, which means you have to duplicate your work if you already have your own design made. The plugin is fairly easy to use. Assuming you are creating a simple website, you can easily select the built-in components like a navigation bar, and it will automatically get added to the frame. You can also go ahead to add a main section, a features or stats section, and finally a footer. Some of the components have variants applied to it, so you can change the position or view of such components. It is possible to customize the built-in components. You can add links to buttons and even create multiple pages for your website. Once you are done designing a website, you can press on a preview website and it will launch in your browser. So as you can see, the site is very responsive and works on any device. The next plugin is Photopea. Photopea is an amazing plugin. It is a Photoshop clone that lets you edit your photos, apply filters, effects, add text, crop or even resize your pictures right inside Figma for free. To learn more about this plugin, I will leave a link in the description that will explain into details how to use this plugin. The next plugin is called PARALLAX. PARALLAX is a cool Figma plugin which brings interactive navigation to your designs. It is able to convert any design into a parallax effect just by clicking and selecting a few buttons. The only issue or the downside with PARALLAX is the export animation is a pro feature, which means that in order to export your designs, you need to pay for the application or the plugin. But a simple workaround is to record the screen in order to share with others. Finally, we have blobs. There isn't much to say about this plugin. Blobs enables you to create complex shapes with ease. And as designers, we know that incorporating blobs in our designs makes it pop. And this plugin makes it easy to do just that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.